We are rolling.
So JJ, continuing our conversation, we're really connecting at the heart about the depth of what food, culinary, I mean even from the entry of the palate and the preparation and that preparation presentation.
I just love the relationship that it brings out with people, right? As we all meet one another, a lot of the new relationships are always bridged with food. When you think about it, hospitality speaking, little get-togethers with little snacks or little bites of something. And the more exotic and the more creative they are is an experience on its own. I love the jalapeno poppers we hollow out a little yellow pepper and we stuff it full of red onion. We put mozzarella cheese, cream cheese, and put a little mushroom on the top and wrap it with bacon. And then we grill it out on the grill. And it's just fantastic for people to see that experience that comes out of it. And when you talk about the spirit, people instantly want to relate to that situation, and it breaks down all the barriers that we have. And I think it might be a primitive type thing that we all deal with as humans, but really it does come from the heart. And all these variables come into play where you are instantly willing to associate yourself with these people because of the fact that you have shared something in common and there's a connection that's built instantly.
I think that there's an instant connection over food, and that's why we have so many cultures and ways to learn about one another and different ways of exploring. You're just describing that popper to so many different levels. And I was imagining somebody they'd gone shopping for someone specific and they're looking for that special gift. And as they're wrapping it, they're thinking of that person and then them getting it. As you're describing that popper, I was
yes.
seeing that. Just handing this presentation to see how they may respond and react to this. All the time and love that you put into that popper. It's an explosion.
So many things come to my mind when we're talking about food and relationships and spirit. And it's so very true that it's all a center of what we deal with as humans, right? Because all we really need is to gather food, have shelter, and have that be able to communicate with one another, to have that peace that's created from all of it. And it seems really complex, but it's not very simple.
It is. It's like just coming together at a table and being invited to that table and being part of something, to be connected. That food just kind of creates a connection. And there's another thing, is a relationship with food. Do you have a healthy relationship, or it's a battle?
Absolutely.
Which is also, how has food been presented to you? Has it been scarce for you? Has it been controlled? So just learning a healthy relationship with food, because we have to have it to survive.
Absolutely.
And maybe we're angry at it. How can we build a healthy relationship, which also is almost symbolic to our relationship with ourselves, that may be exposed.
I would agree to that.